I enjoyed this meal, but I knew I would because I've made this before. It's a nice balance between the sweet of the cornmeal pancakes and the savory of the other items. Sour cream is not needed here. I just used the table cream to help dress up the plate. I did add some tapatio, which I thought was a nice addition, but you can add whatever your favorite hot sauce is. I'll put the rest of the corn pancakes in the fridge, and it'll make for easy weekday breakfast. Thanks so much for watching my recipe video. I'll see you in the next one.